Good morning. Welcome to day 7. We actually charged with the Optum Connect last night and we finished this morning. Well, we finished about late last night, in the middle of the night. Um, but it charged 32 kilowatt hours of energy and it cost around $13.42. So not too bad. Not as cheap as if you're charging at home, but a little bit cheaper than the fast chargers. And you can just kind of leave it overnight, so it's not a big deal. Uh, and you're just parking at the hotel anyways. We are at 100% for today. I don't think I'll have to charge anymore for today. So we'll just be driving around all day, visiting some friends, going to some mini golf, and just hanging out in the San Francisco area. Should be fun. When driving to get some coffee, I saw this really cool Lamborghini Huracan STO. Pretty nice, so I just got a video of it. All right, we are back at the hotel. I'm using the Op Connect again, and it says that we have about 3 hours and 42 minutes of charging for it. We used about 70% of the battery. Well, not 70%, 30% of the battery, and we're at 70% of charge. So it's gonna take that long. That's fine. It can just charge overnight. And then Op Connect doesn't actually charge me for idle charging. It just stops the charge once we reach 100% fully charged. So that's a good thing. Tomorrow we were going to go to the Mira Redwood Forest, but my wife's friends suggested that it'd be much more fun for the kids to ride a steam train through the Redwood Forest in Roaring Camp. So we're gonna do that. It's called the Roaring Camp Railroad, and it's a steam train that goes through the Redwood Forest, and then we're gonna actually stop by Santa Cruz, and there's a boardwalk there where the kids can kind of run through the beach a little bit, and it'll be a fun day for the kids. It'll be full of activities and everything in that, so hopefully they'll be tired. So that will be tomorrow, but pretty much today was a full day as well, where we just kind of hung out with my wife's friends. We went to Boomers for some mini golf. We also went to City Central in San Ramon for some food. It was great. It was really tasty. Some Mendocino Farms and then some udon there. It's really good food. We also stopped by Boba Guys. They had some really good boba tea. So it was a fairly long day, but there wasn't much to record for today. So I might actually include for this video tomorrow as well, but we'll see. With that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, welcome to day 8 of our trip. We just finished charging. I unplugged. We're gonna grab some breakfast really quick and head over to Roaring Camp to ride the steam train up the Redwood Forest, and then head back down to go to the Santa Cruz beach. I shouldn't need to charge any more today. I'm at 100% right now, and I should be able to last throughout the day without charging again. So far in San Francisco, though, all the charging stations have been very good. All right, let's go get some breakfast and we'll head over to Roaring Camp and ride the steam train through the Redwood Forest. I love these windy roads that you guys have here in San Francisco, the Bay Area. It's beautiful and they're amazing drives. Welcome to Roaring Camp. There was a festival going on at the same time while we were there, but we didn't actually go to the festival. A lot of music, a lot of families, and a lot of activities. We were mainly there for the steam train. We got there early enough to see the steam train coming in, so I'll let you see and hear that. The steam train ride is a total of about an hour long. It's about a 20 to 25 minute ride up to the top of the base camp. Along the way, the conductor gives you a lot of information about the redwoods in the forest. Then you get about 15 minutes at the base camp on top. and then you start heading back down. Once we got back to the bottom, they had to release a lot of steam from the train, and I'll let you hear and see that here. After Warren Camp, we went to the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. It was a really nice boardwalk, a lot of things for the family to do, a lot of rides. My sons are a little bit too young for the carnival rides, but we mainly went there for the beach. The beach was pretty packed, but we still had a lot of fun. The kids ran around and played for a few hours, and then we started heading back. It's been a long day full of activities. We had a lot of fun at the Roaring Camp steam train ride up the Redwood forest there. It was beautiful. And then we went to Santa Cruz Beach and the boardwalk. We hung out at the beach for a little while. The kids had lots of fun playing in the sand and then running and dipping their toes into the water when the waves hit the shore. And now we need to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the drive up to Oregon. We're going to stay in Beaverton around the Portland area. It's going to be about a 12-hour drive up to Beaverton. But that's for tomorrow. I'm going to get some rest. With that, thank you for watching, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to Gas and Watts. And I'll see you tomorrow.